My name's Rich Frankson. I'm Senior Lecturer and the Programme Lead for Zoology at the University of Cumbria.
My name is Thomas McCormick. I'm in my second year of zoology.
My name's Ash. I'm a second year zoology student at the University of Cumbria.
The zoology programme at the University of Cumbria is one of the only programmes in the country actually that's specific and bespoke to zoology. We can really focus on what interests our students and give them the options of taking it in the career path that they wish to take it. The curriculum is very focused on providing our students with practical skills, so we give them that grounding in the theory, particularly in the first year, but then we have lots of focus on learning lab skills, field skills, and the practical and critical thinking skills that you need to become a professional zoologist.
The zoology course at the moment is preparing me moving forward if I were to go into a research role, which is what I was primarily looking towards doing.
The zoology programme at the university has prepared me by providing me all of the skills I need to do field work and lots of opportunities to network. It's a good option because of how much nature is all around. It's really accessible. Lots of other zoology courses offer lots of things, but you can't beat the Cumbrian wildlife and landscape.
So we incorporate lots of hands-on learning here at the University of Cumbria, in the labs using some samples that we've collected in the field, some dissection work, some anatomy work, but we also get out and about in the local environment. Today we've been doing some bird surveys, recently we've done some aquatic river surveys, some small mammal surveys, and we make use of those learning opportunities at every possibility that we can. We have a range of different research experience amongst the staff at the university, and we make sure that that's embedded into our teaching at every possibility. We have fantastic equipment and facilities which students are welcome to borrow for their own personal research projects. We have much smaller class sizes than typically you'll find at many other universities. That allows us to really get to know our students and what our students are interested in. So there's lots of support provided.
The university is very supportive, helping people achieve their goals, and a lot of options for accessibility, disability support mentors and personal tutors. So you can always access support, and it's really friendly and open.
Especially when you're studying something that you are interested in, it's really beneficial when the staff are as enthusiastic and as energetic as you.
We have alumni that have gone on into research careers, animal husbandry careers, animal welfare careers, and they've really been able to follow what interests them within the field of zoology. One recently started up the Cumbria Amphibian and Reptile Group, where they now coordinate many surveys of these vulnerable species across Cumbria.
Because of the connections with the university, I've been able to volunteer with the Eden Rivers Trust and help out with things such as checking for water vole signs, tree planting, and learning about ecology of riversides hands-on.
This is what I want to do, and now I'm doing it. I can't tell you how happy I am with where my life is going. We've only got one chance here, and do something that you really love.
So if you have an interest in zoology, whether that's around wildlife or biodiversity declines, animal husbandry, animal welfare, animal cognition, visit our website and see the range of opportunities that we have.